In this tutorial, we will be discussing typecasting in Python. Specifically, how to convert a string to an integer and an integer to a string. Here, we first defined a variable called string_num and assigned it the value 10, which is a string. Then, we used the int function to convert this string to an integer and assigned it to a new variable called integer_num. Next, we defined a variable called integer_num2 and assigned it an integer value of 25. Then, we used the str function to convert this integer to a string and assigned it to a new variable called string_num2. Let's print out the values of integer_num and string_num2 to confirm that our typecasting worked as expected. Print integer_num, integer_num. Print string_num2, string_num2. As we can see, our typecasting worked correctly and we were able to convert a string to an integer and an integer to a string in Python.